Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today's video is something a little different. I'm so excited because I'm going to show you all the goodies I got from my pre-order from the Spring 2020 mini catalog. Now did you notice I didn't say Occasions catalog? That's because this catalog has a new name. They're calling it the Spring Mini. It still has all the goodies that you're expecting at this time of year for the special events that happen in the spring. It's got Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, Easter, and so much more. But the name is new, and the layout and the organization reflects the format that we've seen in the 2019 annual and holiday catalogs. But I can't go into too many details on that because I can't show you the inside of this catalog until January 3rd. So stay tuned for more about that. But in the meantime, if you're one of my current customers, you should be receiving one of these catalogs in the mail sometime this month, probably between Christmas and New Year's. And if you aren't on my mailing list, drop me a line and I'll make sure to get one of these to you. And you'll be able to order from this beautiful catalog starting January 3rd. Now, just one of the many perks of being a demonstrator is that I get to order from the catalog a month early. And of course, at my level, I get a 25% discount on all my products. There are many other perks too, like the ability to earn bulk discounts and flex points and all kinds of other incentives throughout the year. You get access to online and print resources to help you build your crafting skills and your business strategies, and you get membership in exclusive Facebook groups where demonstrators from all over the world share ideas, inspiration, business tips, and everything else to do with being a demonstrator. Plus, of course, there are the amazing events that Stampin' Up! Hosts for its demonstrators, like the April Onstage event that I got to attend last year in Vancouver. There is also an incentive trip every year as well, which is a wonderful, all expenses paid holiday to amazing locations like Greece or Maui or the Caribbean islands. And the reason I'm going on about all of this is because right now it's an amazing time to join Stampin' Up! And become a part of my team. Now year-round, the starter kit costs $135 and it includes $165 worth of any products you choose because you get a 20% discount right away and you get to keep that discount for at least the next 4 months. And your whole starter kit arrives right to your door with free shipping. Now right now, if you join up as a demonstrator, you can choose items for your starter kit from 4 different catalogs. You can use the annual catalog, the holiday catalog, the spring mini catalog, and the Sale-a-Bration brochure. Joining now also means that you get to hit the ground running and make the most of Sale-a-Bration, which is the biggest promotional period in the Stampin' Up! Year. So if you're interested in that opportunity or you have questions about it, please drop me a line and let's talk about all the possibilities that Stampin' Up! Has to offer. So let's talk about Sale-a-Bration. You probably already know that this promotion runs from January through March, and for that whole time, every purchase you make could earn you free products from this adorable little brochure. Now there are 2 levels of rewards. Some are earned with a $60 purchase and some are earned with a $120 purchase. And I've got some of each here to show you. Let's start with the Gang's All Mirror. Now I'm pretty sure this is going to be one of the huge hits of this year's Sale-a-Bration. How cute are these little meerkats? There are some great sentiments here as well. And this adorable little birthday hat, which you can add to any of these cute little meerkats. This is so sweet. If you love the Perennial Essence paper from the annual catalog, you're going to love this pack of Lily Impressions paper, which is from the Sale-a-Bration brochure. It features impressionistic images in rich colors, and this paper is absolutely great for elegant backgrounds and accents. It's absolutely stunning, and like the Perennial Essence paper, you can really see the brush strokes. Isn't it gorgeous? It's absolutely stunning in person, and I just can't wait to play with it. And look at all the beautiful colors that it includes. paper, here's the other DSP from the Sale-a-Bration brochure, and it's called Golden Honey. Now, do you remember last year those bold, beautiful black and white designs from the Butterfly Gala paper? Well, Stampin' Up! Has given us something even better this year. Bold black and white designs with gold foil accents. Just look at those gorgeous designs. And does this paper just happen to coordinate with a bundle that's available in the Spring Mini catalog? Yes, it does. The Honeybee bundle. I just love these sweet little bees. And there's some beautiful detailed dies that go with them, including this honeycomb die that's going to add some great texture. And the lovely sentiments in this stamp set. Look at how this stamp is curved to match the beehive stamp. Now, isn't that fun? And this stamp set is a distinctive stamp set, which means it's going to show lots of texture and depth when you stamp it. Now here's another Sale-a-Bration stamp set. This is called Thoughtful Blooms. It features 3 different flowers that can be punched out with this small bloom punch. That's right, for the first time ever, Stampin' Up! Is offering a punch as part of the Sale-a-Bration rewards. The stamp set is a $60 reward, and the punch is a $120 reward. Now look at all the awesome floral images in this stamp set. I love these, and these wonderful sentiments as well in a beautiful font. And this little border here, that's going to be so Another fun. First for this year's Sale-a-Bration offerings is the Little Ladybug stamp set, which is a Hostess stamp set. You can only earn this stamp set if you host a qualifying party, which is sales of $375 or more during the Sale-a-Bration period. Now, of course, yes, you could place a $375 order yourself and earn this stamp set as well, but it's a lot more fun to have a party. Now, it's going to be really easy for you to reach $375 in your party because with all of your guests excited to earn the fabulous Sale-a-Bration products for free, it's going to be easy to reach that $375 target. And then you can get this adorable stamp set for yourself, as well as all your other Sale-a-Bration and Hostess rewards. With a $375 party, you'd be earning $45 in free product. Now, if that sounds good to you and you want this stamp set, contact me ASAP and we'll book the date for your party. So these are just some of the Sale-a-Bration items that will be available this year. These are the level 1 items which you can earn with a $60 purchase. This is one of the level 2 items that you can earn with a $120 purchase. And of course, the Hostess stamp set, which is available with a party of $375 or more. Now I'm going to show you the items I ordered from the Spring Mini catalog. Now you already saw this fantastic Honeybee bundle. That's from the Spring Mini. And I did something on this order that I've never done before, which I'd been longing to do since the last annual catalog came out. I ordered an entire suite, the Parisian Blossoms suite. Let me show you all the gorgeous items that are included. Let's start with this gorgeous Parisian Blossoms Specialty Designer Series paper. Now the word specialty is in there because this paper includes gorgeous champagne foil accents on some of the papers. Isn't it stunning? Now, in addition to champagne, the other coordinating colors are cherry cobbler, petal pink, and pool party. Look at that foil shimmer. Isn't that gorgeous? The suite also includes 2 stamp and die bundles, the Forever Blossoms bundle and the Parisian Beauty bundle. Now, both of these bundles are terrific. They feature wonderful, large, yet still intricately detailed images. The Eiffel Tower images are going to be fantastic for such a wide variety of cards. It could be for travel, it could be used for the background, could be for a masculine card, could be for love or anniversaries. And the blossoms in Forever Blossoms bundle are simply stunning. You could color these blossoms any color you like with any of our blends or markers or watercolor pencils. They're going to be absolutely gorgeous. And these sentiments, all of me loves all of you, always and forever, wishing you a long life together. And look at the beautiful script. It's just absolutely beautiful. And there's more. The suite includes this gorgeous embossing folder. Now, I always find it really hard to see and appreciate embossing folders when I'm looking at the catalog pages. So I've gone ahead and given this one a trial run. Now, is that not gorgeous? What an elegant look this is going to add to your project. And then you can top it off with these stunning champagne rhinestones and this beautiful petal pink metallic edge ribbon. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to play with this stuff. Now, there's just one more thing I want to show you from my pre-order, and it's this wonderful new mini paper trimmer, which is a guillotine style, and the DSP sample pack. Now, if you join Stampin' Up! During Sale-a-Bration, you're going to receive these items absolutely free, along with any stamp set of your choice from any current catalog in your starter kit. Now, let me show you what's included in this sample pack. It has paper from Lily Impressions, which you already saw today in the Sale-a-Bration offerings, as well as several other papers from the Spring Mini. This is Best Dressed. That's more of Best Dressed. This is the Tropical Oasis paper. There's the Lily Impressions, which you already saw. This is the Peaceful Poppies paper. This is Country Club and Birthday Bonanza. I'm going to flip all these over so you can see the back as well. There's Birthday Bonanza, Country Club, Lily Impressions, the Tropical Oasis, Peaceful Poppies, and Best Dressed. So that's 48 sheets in total that you get. Now, with the exception of the Best Dressed paper pack, which is a 6x6 paper pack, the rest of these are all 12x12 size when they appear in the catalogs. But in your sampler pack, you're getting these partial sheets, 6x6, so that you get a little taste of everything. You'll get 2 double-sided sheets from 6 different Designer Series Papers packs for a total of 48 sheets. So right off the bat, you're getting a whole load of beautiful paper that you can show off to your new customers by using it at your workshops. All totally free. As I said, these 2 items plus a stamp set of your choice, absolutely free. And the only way to get this fabulous deal is to sign up as a demonstrator during Sale-a-Bration. So those are all the goodies I got on my pre-order. And I hope you enjoyed having a look at all of them. As you know, there's going to be tons more awesome goodies in both the Sale-a-Bration brochure and the Spring Mini catalog. And I can't wait for you to have a look at it and get excited like I am. I so appreciate you watching the video today, and I hope you'll leave me a comment below and let me know which of these products you're most excited about. I'm going to choose one commenter to receive a card from me made with products from this video. And all of these products and many, many more are going to be available for you to buy starting January 3rd, and you can get them on my website, inkyfingers.ca. Now, on another note, you're going to notice in the coming weeks that my blog and video posting schedule is going to be slowing down somewhat. I'm going to be taking a break over the holiday season to enjoy some time with friends and family, but I'll be back in the new year with more wonderful content for you to enjoy. And in the meantime, you can browse through my past tutorials, videos, or blog posts, and make sure you're following my Facebook page for the latest updates as well. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, everyone. Happy stampin' and happy holidays.